Microplastic pollution, that the smallest bits of plastic are arguably the most dangerous. They act kind of like little hoovers. They absorb nasty pollutants that have been in the sea maybe for decades, that are highly toxic. It's coming from our clothes, it's coming from our car tyres, it's coming from, of course, the everyday uses of plastic that we're all familiar with, like supermarket packaging and bottles and such like. It's even coming from paint. Our message as Friends of the Earth really to the Welsh Government and the Welsh Assembly Committee here is let's take a long-term approach, looks across the board at all of the sources of plastic pollution and commits us to getting them down to near zero.